You need to stop pulling in the clutch mid-turn. The clutch has nothing to do with cornering. Only if you're going less than, say, 15 miles per hour. So like you're going through a tight turn, like it's a green light and you're taking a right, like a slow, tight turn. Okay, you can use the clutch. You're pulling into a driveway. You're doing U-turns and things like that. Sure, that's what the clutch can be used for. But out on the roads, like any higher speed corners, like out in the twisties, the clutch is irrelevant to you. The only time to use the clutch is for shifting, coming to a stop and doing low speed turns. So many riders pulling the clutch mid-turn from going into the corner too quickly for their skill versus rolling off the throttle and or using the brakes to slow down. And that's because they're just ignorant, just lack of education and ability. I've been teaching students, the beginner all the way through the advanced level stuff on the track. And I've seen students do this all the time. They go into the corner and for some reason they just pull in the clutch. It's like a natural reflex somehow, just a horrible habit people were taught somewhere and they don't learn any other way. And people do it all the time. I've seen people do it on the street, on the track, in courses, buddies do it. This needs to stop. You do not use or pull in the clutch for cornering. If you need to shift before the turn, do so while the bike is upright and always have the clutch fully released before you start to lean the motorcycle into the corner.